Sapiens is growing. This year will be a key date in our company, an opportunity to achieve a more global engagement. So as a team, we started to think. We needed a new suit, a strategy to develop a better communication with our customers, a clear brand that lives up to our team. And something remains, the main principle of Sapiens: connect humans with answers. We found that connection, that line, because it is what we are, an infinity line which connects knowledge, and it is everywhere and part of us. As a flexible company, it is so difficult to find a unique way to feel represented with transparency. But I think we're closer than ever. This is what we are. We have a new logo. It's simple, smooth, and symbolizes the knowledge connection. It works in all platforms. We also introduce a new typography. It's flexible, clear, and easy to understand. The app releases a new layout. It is more dynamic and has a better user interface. Blue will continue to be the main color, with a new palette where color diversity will stand out. But our identity, our brand, this is just a small part of the change. Sapiens, improving team productivity with knowledge.